Hey, good evening, guys. It's 22nd January 2026, and it's around 8 minutes left for NY Open. And if you're new here, I will recommend you to watch the last session, our last session, session number 12, maybe. Okay, we have 1 hour left for this candle to close. We have a news at 7, Donald Trump speak, but I don't think it's going to majorly affect USD. USD is dropping. Okay, we have a long position in GBP USD, but it's just dropping around our entry. I was looking for this breakout, but I'm not in this position yet. I'm gonna plan a long, but I don't think we have only one day we have only 1 day 10 hour left for the weekly candle to close, and I don't think we are gonna make a new high for this week. Okay, if Euro USD manage to close above this 38.2, I will start planning for a long. In daily time frame, we have 20 EMA at around this level, so it's beautifully bouncing from it in daily perspective. And if the daily candle manage to close like this, for the next day, our daily bias will be bullish. I'm not expecting Euro USD to create a new higher high for the week, but I'm expecting a little higher price for Monday if price actually managed to close above 38.2. I'm already long in GBP USD, but it is not looking that healthy. I'm gonna let this player trade run and let's see how it unfolds. After this breakout and this flip, I'm looking for a long in USD JPY from this kind of levels. I was planning for a long in GBP JPY in the morning, and it looks like we are getting some good rejections from this level. So I'm thinking about longing it, but at the same time, I'm aware that it's gonna double my risk for GBP long side. The rejection was quite good in 1 hour, and if I long this, that simply also means that I'm longing USD JPY. So it's somehow gonna hedge my position in GEO long side. I'm also planning for this USD CHF short. I was waiting for this break of structure, and right now I'm just waiting for a corrective phase upside so that I can short from this level if I find any good rejection in 1 hour with a tight stop loss at this high or a little high or a little lower. Possibly we're gonna get this set up on the next London station. So I'm just keeping my alert at around this level. USD CAD I was planning for long, but there is nothing interesting yet. I'm gonna plan for long only if we find some really good break of structure above this level, and if I if I see the price closing above the 200 EMA strongly. The Dixie daily bias was bullish and is still stuck inside the range of the previous day. Let's see how it unfolds. There is nothing interesting for now. It's just a quick recap session. I can look for longs in gold. Mm, okay, okay. So there is nothing clear for me right now except this breakout. I can place my stop at this and target for this high, but this is not going to be a valid or good stop loss. I think it's better if I wait for a little correction or a better setup. In AUD USD, I'm waiting for a correction. There is nothing here for me right now. Same for NZD USD. Yeah, that's it for the session, guys. There is nothing interesting for now. Let's recap the whole thing. I'm looking for longs in USD, Euro USD. If price manage to close above this within next 1 hour, then I will possibly gonna place a trade with a stop below this low and targeting for this highs. I'm gonna hold my position in GBP USD and let this position run. In gold, I'm waiting for a little correction, maybe a correction below the low of the last 4 hour candle, because looks like a little bearish candle. So I'm gonna wait for a sweep of this low before planning a long. A sweep of this low and a good rejection after that. In AUD USD, there is nothing for me. Same, I'm skipping NZD USD. USD CHF, I'm waiting for a deeper correction and then a strong rejection so that I can short with a tight stop loss and target towards this low. USD JPY, I'm expecting a little dipper correction at around this level so that I can long and get a good risk reward ratio. USD CAD, I'm waiting for a bullish, strong market structure shift. In Euro JPY, I don't have anything, and I'm looking for longs in GBP JPY. It looks like it's already playing out, and it's possible that we have already missed it. But I'm gonna place a trade with a limit order at around this level so that I can get a 1 to 3 at this high. So yeah, that's my plan for the session. Let's see how it unfolds. See you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.